I'm going to proceed to neural networks. As you remember in the last class, I was discussing about random forest algorithm. Now I'm going to discuss on neural network or artificial neural networks, that is ANN. This is one of the most common algorithms used in almost all the fields of science, including data science. And this is one of the most effective algorithms which are commonly used for different purposes and addressing different goals. So, artificial neural network is a predictive model motivated by the brain system or human nervous system. So, here, artificial neural networks are the machine learning models inspired by the human brain used in data science to identify complex patterns in data for the tasks like image processing and recognition, speech processing and recognition, and forecasting by using layers of interconnected nodes, or that is neurons, and algorithms like backpropagation to learn from the data and improve over time. ANNs or neural networks enable computers to make more accurate predictions and classifications from the vast pool of data sets. These figures are representing the neurons, which are mostly used as building blocks for artificial neural networks. So a neuron basically, let's first go for this artificial neural network. So ANNs utilize layered nodes to process data where each layer applies a unique data transformation. The output of one layer becomes the input for the next, culminating in the final layer's output. So here, this represents the input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. The neuron of artificial neural network would look like this. For example, left side x1, x2, xm, that is input information, then summation, some kind of mathematical equations, and then activation function, and finally the output. So this is one neuron which could be used in any kind of artificial neural networks. And each node represents the neuron here, and this is how it makes up the complex artificial neural network. And then after you know neuron and artificial neural network, so in machine learning, a neural network that is also called as artificial neural network or neural net, that is ANN or NN, is a computational model inspired by the structure and functions of human or biological neural networks. A neural network consists of connected units of or nodes called artificial neurons, which loosely model the neurons in the brain. Artificial neuron models that mimic biological neurons more closely have also been recently investigated and shown significant improvement in the performance. These are connected by edges which model the synapses in the brain. Each artificial neuron receives signal from the connected neurons, then process them and sends a signal to other connected neurons. The signal is a real number, and the output of each neuron is computed by connected neurons. The signal. So now, if you know this signal is a real number and the output of each neuron is computed by some nonlinear functions of the totality of its input called activation function. The strength of the signal at each connection is determined by a weight which adjusts during the learning process. Typically, neurons are aggregated into layers. Different layers may perform different transformation on their inputs. Signals travel from first layer to the last layer network. So last layer, possibly passing through multiple intermediate layers or hidden layers. A network is typically called a deep neural network if it has at least two hidden layers. So Now, artificial neural networks are used for various tasks, including predictive modeling, adaptive control, and solving problems in artificial intelligence. They can learn from experience and can derive conclusions from a complex and seemingly unrelated set of information. Now, how artificial neural networks work. So, if you have carefully listened the previous few slides, then here you can see some structure. ANN consists of interconnected layers of nodes or neurons. That is clear here, including an input layer, one or more hidden layers, and an output layer. So this is the complete structure, which you can see here in the bottom. The figure represents the structure of an artificial neural network. Now, information flow. Information enters the input layer, passes through the hidden layers, where it's processed and produces an output. Now, learning or training is one of the most interesting part in artificial neural network, where you need to train your system. So here it comes input and forward pass. Data is fed into the network and a forward pass calculates an output. So here you can put the mathematical equation as you want and the logics in computational coding, what you want to train. Then back propagation, that means to and fro. So the network's output is compared to the actual target and the loss, that is error, is calculated. This loss is then back propagated through the network to adjust the connections or weights between neurons. Now it comes to iteration. This process of forward and backward process passes is repeated many times, allowing the network to learn from its mistakes and improve its predictions. So this is how this system, an artificial neural network, could work. And this could be seen in terms of structure, like here. So input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. And the same thing can be seen in terms of some mathematical values or representation here. The mathematical equations are quite simple while you are writing ANNs. So don't be afraid while you are seeing some complex mathematical equations in artificial neural network. They are quite simple. You just need to understand the mathematical equations in the simpler way. So now, if you want to see the details of the different layers, so for example, here input values, weighted connections, processing neurons, and then weighted connections again, then optional neurons and weighted connections and output values. So from here to here, you can say it's the hidden layer or middle layer, and this is input, this is output. So these are the outputs, these are the inputs. So all eyes are representing the input, and this is O1, O2, they are the output. So output can be one or more, input can also be one or more, depending on your mathematical calculations and logical design. Now, how this design of an artificial neural network could look like or could work. This is the finest way to represent the artificial neural network working model. So neural networks pass an input like an image through multiple layers of digital neurons. Each layer reveals additional features of input. Mathematicians are revealing how a network's architecture and how many neurons and layers it has and how they are connected determines the kinds of tasks that the neural network will be good at. Now, when data is fed into a network, each artificial neural network that fires transmits signals to certain neurons in the next layer, which are likely to fire if multiple signals are received. This process reveals abstract information about the input. Now, this is the shallow network, which has few layers, but many neurons per layer. These expressive networks are computationally intensive. That means it would take more time. A deep network has many layers and relatively few neurons per layer. It can achieve high levels of abstraction using relatively few neurons. So these are some basic working design of artificial neural network. Now it comes to the applications. So in data science, it has a wide range of applications in different fields. So ANNs are used in various data science applications, image and speech recognition, natural language processing, forecasting, fraud detection, classification. Now, if you want to summarize them, it's not these are not the only applications, but these are the some of the most common applications like facial